Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
Hello, Leo. Where are you going?
Hi, David. I'm going to the pharmacy.
I'm going there as well.
I need some medicine for my father.
Oh, is he sick?
Yes, he is not feeling well.
What happened to him?
He has high blood pressure.
That can be serious.
Yes, he feels tired every day.
Does he visit a doctor?
Yes, once a month.
That's good.
The doctor gives him medicine.
Is he at home now?
Yes, he is resting.
You take good care of him.
I try my best.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you for saying that.
I hope he feels better soon.
I hope so too.
If you need help, tell me.
Thank you, David.
Do you work now? Yes, I have a job. What do you do? I work in an office. What is your position? I work as an assistant. Do you like your job? It is okay. Is it difficult? Sometimes it is stressful. I understand. What about you?
I work in sales.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I like meeting clients.
Do you work long hours?
Yes, almost the whole day.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, but I manage it well.
That's good.
Work helps us grow.
Yes, it gives experience.
We must stay positive.
Absolutely.
Hi, Rucha. Nice to see you here.
Hi, Lisa. What a surprise.
What are you buying today?
I am buying vegetables and rice. I need milk and bread. This supermarket has fresh items. Yes, I like this place. Did you come after work? Yes, I came directly. That makes sense. Do you shop here often? Yes, almost every week.
That's good.
What else do you need?
Some fruits and juice. Let's shop together. That sounds fun.
After shopping, we can have coffee.
Great idea.
There is a cafe upstairs.
Yes, I know that place.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too.
Let's keep in touch.
Your English is very good.
Thank you so much.
How did you learn it?
I learned from YouTube.
Which channel?
The channel name is Mr. Khan English.
Is it helpful for beginners?
Yes, very helpful.
What do they teach?
Speaking and daily conversations.
Do they speak slowly?
Yes, clearly and slowly.
That's perfect for me. It is great for A2 learners. Do they teach grammar too? Yes, simple grammar with examples. How do you practice? I use the shadowing method. What is that? I listen and repeat together. How long do you practice daily? 20 minutes every day. That's amazing. Consistency is the key. Hello, please put your items here.
Sure, here they are.
Did you find everything?
Yes, I did.
Do you have a membership card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You're welcome. Your total is $40. I will pay by card. Please insert your card. Done.
Enter your PIN.
Okay.
Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Payment is successful.
Great.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
You look worried, Anna. Yes, I have problems at work. What kind of problems? My English is weak. Is it hard to speak there? Yes, especially with my boss. Does he speak fast? Very fast. That can be difficult. I feel nervous. Mistakes are normal. I feel shy sometimes. Practice every day. I try at home. Let's practice now. Okay. Say, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. If you don't understand, say, please repeat. Please repeat. In meetings, say, I have a question. I have a question. Very good. Thank you for helping me. How will you go home? I will take a taxi. You don't need a taxi. Why not? I came by car. Really? Yes, I can drop you home. That's very kind of you. It's no problem at all.
Wow, this is your car?
Yes, I bought it recently.
It looks very nice.
Thank you. It's my first new car.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I also want to buy a car,
That's great.
but I am paying my home EMI. How long is left? 1 more year.
That's not too long.
Yes, then I will buy one.
You should save money monthly.
Yes, I am saving regularly.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Emma.
Are you new here?
Yes, I moved here last week.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
That's a beautiful city.
Yes, it is. Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester.
That's nice.
Do you work or study?
I work in an office.
What is your job?
I am a receptionist.
That's a good job.
Thank you. What about you?
I work as a technician.
That sounds interesting.
Can we be friends?
Of course. Hello, this is Sarah speaking.
Hello, this is Anna speaking.
Very good.
What if I don't understand?
Say, sorry, can you repeat?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Perfect.
What about meetings?
You can say, I have a question.
I have a question.
Excellent.
And for emails?
Use simple sentences. Like what? Please see the attached file.
Please see the attached file.
Also say, thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time.
That's professional.
I feel more confident now.
Practice every day.
I will keep practicing.